Hi everyone! Welcome back to episode 13 of Simple IT's YouTube series, No Limits. This is the third episode of the Telegram series. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send photos to our friends, how to save photos when our friends send us, how to also send YouTube links so that when we watch interesting videos, we can send our friends the YouTube link for them to watch. And lastly, I'll be teaching you how to create a chat group in Telegram. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start with opening our Telegram app. So we open our Telegram app, we can see our chats. So I click on the chat with my friend and I'm going to send her a message as well as to send her a photo of the Christmas Wonderland at Gardens by the Bay, the poster of it that I saw, to ask her to go with me. So I'm going to tell her about it. So I also want to send her photos of what I've taken, the screenshot I've taken of the poster. So can you see the paperclip on the left? Is the icon on the left? So that is how you send photos. You click on the paperclip icon and you can already see a few photos and videos that are already available in your gallery that you want to send. But if not, you can't see it here. You can click on photo or video and then you can see your whole range of photos. So I want to send my friend these two photos now. So I can send her multiple photos at a time. So I click these two photos, 1 and 2. So I can add captions to my photos by clicking on the photo. And at the bottom, you can see add a caption. So I say Christmas Wonderland poster. So done. I click done. Then I press the back button to go back to my number 2. I click on the number 2 and I give her the dates and time. Add caption again. So once I'm done, I just click the green button at the bottom right hand corner. So I click this. So when my friend clicked the photo, when she clicked on the photo, she can see my caption. So if I swipe, she also can see my dates and time caption. So this is how I send photos usually. And also can add caption to the photos if let's say I'm sending multiple photos at a time. So my friend has replied, yeah, so nice, I saw it too. So my friend also sent me one photo of the Christmas Wonderland poster that she saw. So, wow, there are many details on this poster. They even said that there's a giveaway to be won. Some lucky draw or giveaway. Wow. So I really want to save this photo. How am I going to do it? So I click on the photo. At the bottom left hand corner, you see this arrow. Click on the arrow and save to camera roll. So this is how you save the photo. I also want to send a YouTube link of Simple IT's video to my friend. So how can I do that? So let me just tell her, hey, I also saw a simple IT YouTube video that is very helpful. Let me share with you. So how can we send a YouTube link to our friends? So let's go back to our home page. Let's click on our YouTube ad. So over here, just now I searched for Simple IT, but if not, let's go back to our home page. There's a magnifying glass. Click on the the magnifying glass icon, which is search. Then you type in Simple IT exclamation mark. So the first thing you see is Simple IT TV. So you can see certain videos that have been uploaded already. So I want to send my friend this English video of episode 12 of how to send messages and stickers. So I click on it. So can you see this arrow icon that says share? So how I share is that I click on this icon, and then at the bottom it gives me many options, right? So a simple way to do that is to click on this thing called copy link. Click on copy link. Once you see the word copied at the bottom, you go back to your Telegram and you share that link with your friend. So you click onto the box, press and hold, and then it says paste. So you click paste. So YouTube, the link will naturally be pasted, and then you can just click send. So your friend will be able to click on that link. So this is how you're going to send the YouTube link for your friends to be able to learn from all these YouTube videos as well. Okay, next, I'm going to teach you how to create a chat group. So at the top right hand corner, can you see that square with pencil again? So you click on that. Can you see a new group? So this is how you create a new chat group. You click on new group. Then they will give you all of your contact number. So you select the contact number that you want to add in the group. So I select friend 1, friend 2, and friend 3. So I click next. Then there's group name. I'm going to name my group My Cute Friends. And you see the camera on the left, you can add a photo. So maybe I add just a Christmas Wonderland photo. Christmas Wonderland. Then I click create. So in this group, there are 4 members, and you can just type in the group chat like you normally do in a normal chat with just one friend. Yeah. So this is how we can send photos. We can save these photos to our camera roll, and we also can create chat groups. So these are the few functions that I want to teach you additionally today. Hope you have learned something new. So if you have liked today's episode, please remember to like this video. Click on our subscribe button to subscribe to Simple IT's YouTube channel, and also share it with your friends. Bye bye!